Imagine a world where the boundaries of AI are not just pushed but completely redefined. That's the world Apple is promising with its latest marvel. But the big question lingers: has Apple truly outdone the AI titan GPT-4? Stay tuned to find out. With companies like Google, Meta, and Microsoft displaying their product lines and ambitious plans to use AI, artificial intelligence has become the watchword of 2023. Amidst the enthusiasm surrounding artificial intelligence, Apple has been somewhat quiet in demonstrating its capabilities. Hence, this could be the cause of the frequent inquiries about Apple's efforts to stay competitive in the AI arms race. However, the explanation is straightforward. Apple has long been experimenting with AI in many contexts. If you are an iPhone user, what is the major problem that you face when coming to searches? It might be the inability of consumers to incorporate ChatGPT-like functionality into their iPhones. But things are about to change soon. In a recent research article, Apple presented a novel approach that can facilitate the use of AI on iPhones. Additionally, this method uses flash storage optimization to streamline large, bulky LLMs. There will be another noteworthy development when Apple incorporates cutting-edge AI inside the iPhone. Two new research papers that the Cupertino-based tech giant unveiled in December 2023 revealed important advancements in AI. The paper presented novel methods for efficient language model inference with 3D avatars. The December 12th publication of a new study titled LLM in a Flash, Efficient Large Language Model, Inference with Limited Memory, has the potential to revolutionize the iPhone experience by enabling users to access sophisticated AI systems and provide a more immersive visual experience. Imagine you are a gamer and love to play graphic games. However, the recent device you use for streaming won't support the feature. You got worried and are currently looking for a solution. To relax your mind, you started scrolling and identified that Apple has the solution to your problem. The main goal of the research article is to run big language models effectively on devices with constrained DRAM capacity. PCs use dynamic random access memory, which is renowned for its quick speed, high density, low power consumption, and affordability. The problem of running LLMs that genuinely need more DRAM than is available, storing model parameters in flash memory, and running them into DRAM on demand are all covered in the article. Additionally, the research discusses the inference cost model, which was created to optimize data transfers from flash memory while taking DRAM and flash characteristics into account. There are two techniques discussed here: row-column bundling, which increases data chunk sizes for efficient flash memory accesses, and windowing, which decreases data transfer by reusing previously engaged neurons. The study also discusses sparsity exploitation, which loads parameters selectively to increase efficiency by making use of sparsity in feed-forward network layers. Memory management is another important factor, offering methods for effectively managing loaded data in DRAM to save overhead. Imagine you have a plan to start a business. You might know that the basic idea behind a business is the profit margin between the buying price and the selling price. In the initial stage, you found it difficult to afford inventory management. You got confused about what to do. However, you happened to read the article on Apple and got the idea of dropshipping, where inventory management is no longer a problem. Using models like OPT6, 7B, and Falcon 7B, the researchers demonstrated their methodology. According to the paper, the models achieved 4.5x and 2025x speed increases on CPU and GPU, respectively, when compared to traditional methods. Additionally, in terms of the research's practical application, the two models showed notable improvements in resource-constrained environments. Apple's new research demonstrates an inventive way to run LLMs in hardware-constrained environments, paving the way for future research in on-device and next-generation user experience. What if we tell you that Apple's advancements are no longer limited? Apple is now planning to launch its own AI, which can outperform ChatGPT-4. Ferret is a brand new multimodal generative AI model that Apple has made publicly available. It is a collaborative project between researchers from Cornell University and Apple, which was launched on GitHub in October 2023, along with a study report. Ferret offers a fresh method of interacting with visual content by fusing natural language processing and computer vision. It can recognize areas and items inside an image, establish a connection between verbal ideas and visual components, and use this knowledge to carry out sophisticated textual discussions about images. AI chief John Giannandrea is spearheading Apple's efforts to enhance conversational AI. He answers directly to CEO Tim Cook and is in charge of Apple's massive language model development projects. 4 years ago, John formed a specialized conversational AI team, and since then, the work has been going faster. The chat GPT-4 enables the addition of images to the search and enables us to have a wider knowledge of our search. What can we anticipate from Apple AI that makes it different from the Google chatbot? Share your thoughts in the comments. Apple has an internal chatbot that some engineers have dubbed Apple GPT, but it's unlikely that the business will openly utilize this brand for any consumer goods. Currently, Apple has strong restrictions on who can use the chatbot. As of now, its outputs cannot be used to create new features for consumer products. The chatbot is mostly used for internal prototyping, responding to inquiries using the data it has been trained on. Apple has to invest a lot of money in hardware infrastructure to support its conversational AI development. It takes a lot of computing power to train huge language models that function well. An expert projects that Apple will invest more than $4 billion in AI servers by 2024 as it steps up its efforts in this area. Ferret's ability to identify semantic objects and concepts within user-specified portions of a picture, as opposed to evaluating the entire image, is its primary novelty. For instance, someone might ask, "What color are this person's eyes?" after drawing an erratic shape around someone's face in a picture. After determining which eyes are in that area and that they are blue, Ferret will say, "This guy has blue eyes." Moreover, Ferret recognizes objects beyond simple recognition. It can hold a deep, multi-turn discussion about an image by comprehending the relationships between objects, actions, and other contextual elements. As a result, it can converse more effectively in specific regions than earlier multimodal AI systems. Ferret uses a dual encoder architecture. While one encoder processes textual information, the other concentrates on visual characteristics. Moreover, a unique dynamic fusion mechanism is employed to fuse the two streams of data. Hence, this makes it possible to use both modalities in balance when training. A large-scale dataset known as ground and refer instruction tuning was carefully selected by the researchers in order to maximize Ferret's visual referring and grounding capabilities. According to the paper, GRIT has more than 1.1 million unique samples with extensive spatial knowledge across a variety of domains, including relationships, objects, region descriptions, and reasoning. And there you have it, folks. A glimpse into the future of AI, with Apple's groundbreaking new multimodal AI, a technology that's pushing the boundaries beyond what we've seen with GPT-4 vision. If you're as intrigued by the limitless possibilities of AI as we are, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Join our community to stay at the forefront of these groundbreaking developments. And don't forget to like this video if you've enjoyed our deep dive into Apple's new AI masterpiece. Your likes help us reach more curious minds like yours. Stay tuned and stay curious. Because in the world of AI, the possibilities are as limitless as our imagination. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.